eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, let's go. We're gonna do blue today. And this is actually from the TikTok shop and it's like $3. So y'all can follow along if you want. So there's this like beautiful gray color and we're just gonna spin it there, double tap, and we're gonna start building up the gray kind of around the eye. I do both sides at once. Some people do one eye and then the other, and I don't know how y'all do that. Like I have to do both at the same time, otherwise one comes out looking different than the other. So once you got the eyes framed, you're gonna take a small amount of Sakura oil, like very, very small amount, and we're gonna put that in the shimmery blue. So we're gonna do like 2 drops in there. That way it like swishes around a little bit. Just trust the process. We are going to mix that with a flat brush. So this little shimmer color, we do mix that with a flat brush with the oil, and then you kind of get this like metallic look. I am not one for primer. I prefer doing this technique instead. So now kind of from that little liquid eyeshadow combo, we have this metallic blue on the lids, and now we're gonna go in with this lighter blue, and that's gonna kind of set the metallic concoction potion we just made. This is also a really good time to blend into the gray that we put on earlier. Now we go in with the Beauty Blender and we clean it up a little bit because you want a bold eyeshadow look, but you don't want it to be crazy. So you want to like, right? You don't want that. You want to clean it up with the sponge. Now you just got like cute eyes, right? White inner corner to kind of complete the look. And then if you're fancy, since we did blue and gray, you go in with that blue powder at the top and you kind of just dust it out to make sure it's all blended together. There's your eyeshadow tutorial with a TikTok palette. I hope this helps.